Hello everyone. In this video we are discussing 4 important heart sounds. This video is prepared for the quick revision and education purpose only. Let's begin. During each cardiac cycle, 4 sounds are produced, of which the first and second heart sound can be normally heard using a stethoscope. First heart sound. It is produced due to closure of atrioventricular valve, that is mitral and tricuspid valves. It is soft, low-pitched and prolonged, expressed as lub. Second heart sound. It is due to closure of semilunar valves, that is aortic and pulmonary valve. It is expressed as dub. It is loud, sharp and high-pitched. Third heart sound. It is soft, low-pitched sound heard at the end of first one-third of the diastole, and it is due to rapid filling of ventricles. Fourth heart sound. This sound never heard in normal persons using a stethoscope. Fourth heart sound. It occurs just before the first heart sound. This is due to rapid filling of ventricles during atrial systole. In ventricular hypertrophy patients, the fourth heart sound can be heard by stethoscope. Thanks for watching this complete video everyone. Please click upon the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel for more videos.